Hi, I'm Daryl, Pine Acres RV. Here we have a 2016 one owner, Cedar Creek, looked after very well. It's a 38 FL6. We're going to do a little walkthrough inside. We'll come on in, David, and you would do the honors.
Sounds good. This is a hung wall unit, meaning that it is not laminated on your walls. It's built like a house with actual framed up aluminum studs, and
You don't see that in every trailer.
fiberglass is glued to it. All the aluminum is screwed and glued. All of the wood
on the table.
All of the wood in this unit is real hardwood, not taped off wood. And we have Corian countertops as well in the kitchen. Straight up the stairs. And we got a full upstairs living room. And you know, there's tons of height in here. You've got my 6 feet plus another 6 inches above me.
You're only 5'7".
Oh, whatever, Daryl. Anyway, we have a pull-out sofa here and a pull-out sofa here, and really comfy up here. Cup holders, big TV, and a fireplace. Again, really nice wood in the Cedar Creeks, nice accents. Down into the kitchen. There we go. Huge 3-door fridge, Whirlpool. Down and back we go. Great bathroom, 1-piece tub, lots of height in here. Porcelain toilet. And again, there's your solid surface. Through into a giant opposing slide bedroom. Just tons of space in here. You could have an exercise bike. Daryl, you could have an exercise bike in here. Here we go. King size bed. Nice back window. This is living here. Cedar Creek, nothing but the best. Second door out right here, opposite the bathroom. Perfect spot for it. Daryl, get off your phone. Pine Acres.
Come and see us.
Exit 11.